Hello, SE examination 2074. We're solving questions from science subject group D. Let's start with question number 21. The power of the given lens is 25D. Answer the following questions based on it. Okay, and this is kind of like uh, the optical diagram, or the diagram of the optical setup for this question here. The lens is right on the middle. The focal points on either side of the lens, and the points of 2 times the focal length. Okay, the first question is find the distance FO. We have to find this distance, and the distance FO is the focal length. That is the distance from the center of the lens, that is O, to the focal point, that is F. So FO is basically the focal length, and we have to find the focal length. The only given information in the question is that the power of the given lens is 25D. Okay, so focal length and power of the lens are related by the equation F equals to 1 over P, where F is the focal length and P is the power of the lens. Okay, so substituting the value of P given in the equation, we find F, the focal length, is 1 over 25, and that's going to be 4 centimeters. Therefore, the distance FO is 4 centimeters. Okay, moving on to the next question. The second part of the question asks us to draw a ray diagram of the image formed by this lens when an object is kept 7 centimeters away from the lens. Also write any 3 natures of the image so formed. Okay, so this is 0 centimeters here. From here, the center of the lens to the focal point, that's FO, is 4 centimeters, and 2F is obviously going to be 8 centimeters. So 7 centimeters is somewhere around here or around here. The only thing we need to know, the only information that's like really important here, is that the object has been placed between F and 2F. Okay, so with that information, let's start drawing a ray diagram. The ray diagram should look something like this. The object has been placed 7 centimeters from the center of the lens. Okay, so this looks like 7 centimeters. While you draw it, you have to draw this to be exactly 7 centimeters. Okay, let's draw an object, of height AB here. So object will be above the optical axis. Okay, now to find the image formed by it, we need to draw at least 2 rays. The first ray is going to travel parallel to the optical axis, originate from the top of the object here. Okay, and then after it reaches the center of the lens, it deviates through the focal point here, and you can extend how much you want. Okay, the second ray is going to originate from the top of the object as well, but it travels undeviated through the center of the lens. Okay, and where these 2 rays meet, that is where the image is formed. Okay, so you can see that the image here is formed beyond 2F, on the right side beyond 2F, and that the size of the image here is obviously larger than the size of the object. Okay, so this is how we draw a ray diagram, and some of the things here about the image that was formed is obvious. So the 3 natures of the image thus formed are: the first one, the image formed is real. Convex lens always forms a real image. The second one, the image formed is inverted. As you can see that on the object, the arrow was pointing towards the top. but on the image the arrow has been pointing towards the bottom, so the image has been inverted. The third nature would be the image formed is larger than the object, okay, which is really obvious from here. One other thing, whenever you are using a convex lens, the image formed is always real and inverted, okay, every time it's real and inverted. And whenever the object is placed between whenever the object is placed between f and 2f, the image formed is always larger than the object, okay. All right, so this is it. Good luck and thank you.